aside, let's find out what the overall outlook is on expiry day for the markets as a whole. We've got Kunal Bothra as well as Nooresh Mirani joining in as always. And the gaining streak has continued with the broader markets taking leadership. Kunal, is that where the interest is?
Well, absolutely yes. I think it's a two-toned market. One is on the large cap front, on the index front. You're not seeing any major movement on the indices. The Nifty is stuck into a trading range 20 to 500, which we discussed a few days back. Should be a hurdle, especially going into the expiry. Because it tends to act as a strong psychological resistance or a barrier for the index, where there are a lot of option writers who take positions. So that's natural to try and see the 20 to 500 mark not being surpassed so far. On the other hand, the mid caps and the small caps, they've done exceptionally well for themselves. What I like about the market breadth is that there is stronger follow through price action for many stocks which are heading towards a breakout or showing signs of breakout. There are also many of the stocks which are now coming back into a zone of strong outperformance from a serious bout of underperformance for themselves. So I think that's a strong indication that we are looking at a more vibrant market breadth this time around, and I think that's where one should concentrate.
Okay. Naresh, hi, morning. Guess it'll be all about private banks today. So stack it up for us. HDFC versus ICICI, Axis, which has come out with a good set of numbers, and Kotak.
So the leadership has been clear for the last many months. ICICI Bank has been the leader. That has been the first stock to hit a new 52-week high in all these moves. And Kotak and HDFC Bank have been laggards. The last 4-year return is terrible. It's closer to sub 5% on a cumulative basis also. So what we see is the leadership is set. You have ICICI Bank, and then there is State Bank of India, which has also continued. It is just, say, a couple of percentage points away from an all-time high. You've seen the mid-cap PSU banks also do well. Axis Bank, if we start seeing a reversal today, the stock has been holding on to 1,030. Once it crosses 1,100, 1,120, that also becomes a leadership stock. So in terms of banking space, one has to focus on ICICI, Axis, and SBI. This is the one. And then the mid-cap private banks have been relatively better. So you have IDFC First and Federal Bank, which continue to look interesting. So the view is right now, the index heavyweights, whether it is in Nifty or in Bank Nifty, continue to struggle, but the rest of the names do well. And that's why what we are seeing is Nifty and Bank Nifty struggling, but the mid-cap indices, small-cap indices continue to go ahead.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.